Hello, I'm Adam from Cardboard Studio, and in this episode of How to Guide, we're going to explore a newly added feature of adding explosions to your breakable items. Please note that this option will be introduced in version 2.2 of the 3D Breakable Lowpolly Pack. Let's kick things off by opening State 8. As I mentioned before, from version 2.2, there is an option for adding an explosion to each of your items individually. Now, hit play and click on the red barrel placed in the middle of the screen to see how it's working. Okay, exit play mode. Let's select the red barrel item and inspect it. As you can see, the option Add Explosion was selected here. When the value of this toggle is true, we receive options to set up explosion parameters. Take note that each breakable item in scene now has this option. Now, let's take a moment to play with few values. We'll start with the radius. I believe the name of this parameter doesn't need to be explained. Keep in mind that if gizmos are turned on, the explosion radius will be presented on screen. Now, let's increase the radius and enter play mode. Click on our favorite barrel and enjoy. Great. Exit play mode. Now, let's look at cascade settings. The amount of cascades will allow you to slice the radius of the explosion shockwave into smaller parts. Cascade's delay is the amount of time before the next items will be reached. Let's set the cascade value to 3 and set the delay to 0.5. It's way too high value, but it will allow for easy presentation of how cascades work. Again, enter the play mode and destroy the red barrel. Great! If you're willing, take a pause in this video and play around with the cascade settings for a second. Now, let's focus on the limit GC toggle. This setting will allow for the reduction of garbage collection in your project. If turned on, it will allow you for set the maximum amount of hits collected during the explosion shockwave. If turned off, each cascade will allocate garbage in memory. Finally, let's talk about the last setting. Not obstacles toggle. When set to true, we receive the option to choose the layer of obstacles. As you can see, there are two cubes next to our barrel, and both of them are assigned to the default layer. That's why they're blocking our explosion shockwave. Let's turn off not obstacles, enter play mode and click on the barrel. As you can see, the shockwave traveling through the cubes. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions or suggestions in the comment section below. We appreciate your likes and comments, and if you'd like to be part of our active community, don't forget to join our Discord channel. We look forward to connecting with you and hearing your feedback. Thanks, and see you next time.